Thick Boss, Sister Petra, Presence, Bad Side of Love, Full Jamaican Movie, 2024.
I watch her in the sleeper at the picnic there, bye. Errol! 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 You not hear me there wake up, yo?
What you want, man?
The baby, the ball from when I me there wake up, yo, you now wake up.
So that you wake me up for man,
Yes, I that me. Get up and see what wrong with the picnic. Look like I say while they feeding.
Honey, but me just come in and I get some rest. You know, say me have to get up early in the morning go catch staff bus. You know, get up and feed the baby, man.
Get up and feed
Get so wicked, man.
Fix your foot underneath the sheet for me. Kick where your foot in.
I know what kind of woman this will pick up, you know.
Oh, you mean say what kind of woman you pick up? Eh? The baby the ball and me wake up here and you cuss me off. Eh? You cuss me off. Go feed the back and can't go feed the picnic.
Sure.
And that you feed do. Oh. Because me don't know what to take woman for, you know. Make I look like I say, just because woman a picnic, woman to do everything. So what me if you wake up and get the picnic, he back clean and him out.
Yeah, but honey, why take you if you just get up and go up on the table and take the feed out there warm and feed the baby, honey? Let me see me, man.
Take what from
The
you.
thing just look too damn difficult, man.
Uno koya.
That is a...
Me say me not feed the picnic right now. Tell me Cinti. And the two of me picnic. And you say you want picnic too.
Honey, me not say no, honey, but you know say me just come in and me start get some rest. You know say me have to catch the staff bus by 6 o'clock.
So what wrong with that? So because you have to catch staff bus 6 o'clock, that simple means say you not fit help with the picnic at
Honey,
night
me
time.
never say no, honey. For me day off, you know say me do enough. At night time, me notice say when the baby start cry, and me I wake up and you there and whole day sit down and a chat people business. At night time, me can't get no rest.
Who me a chat people business with? Who me a chat? Alright, yeah, know. Since as you can't manage the picnic at night time, right? This is a perfect solution for the 2 hours and the 2 hours want to sleep. Why you don't carry the picnic go up on your mother at night time? So
After no mommy picnic, no fear, no 2 hour picnic.
No,
eh?
but...
I 2 hour picnic, no honey.
Yes, it's
honey,
a 2
me not
hour
have a
picnic.
problem to get up and feed the baby
But
at
why
night.
you quarrel fight
But,
you never
honey,
have a problem?
Honey, listen, let me talk you suffer. Honey, right? You know me I get up 6 o'clock a morning time, right? To catch the staff bus. And I'm not if you just feed the baby when time wake up at night time, honey. That and not you know if you wake me up, honey. I'm tired, you know.
You're tired. I'm
When
tired.
me reach work this morning, you know, honey, me asleep and the job a good thing. Say somebody come wake me up before the boss see me, you know. If me lose my work, honey, who take care of the baby and you know?
Go sleep and you walk and make them fire you and you come back home and you see what happened to you. Eh? You see what happened to you. Yeah, idiot. Burpee picnic before you put down the picnic. Tell me something. It look like I knock your head. Imagine at the 2 hour picnic. Where you have alpha? Oh God have mercy. Quick.
Honey, me dead.
Where you never have so far? You're tired?
I'm telling you, I'm tired, man.
Oh God. Alright, now worry yourself. Hold up your baby properly and make him burp and then nobody cry, man. No. The baby
Honey,
not
you
like
just
when
give and take, honey. You have to give and take, man.
you make me feel bad. Alright then. Make me help burping, but me not like this, you know. Me not like this at all because
Me a try to get some rest to get up. Me a try to make 2 ends meet so we can have better, you know, honey. If you don't help me out, sure.
don't help me, they help you.
Help me to wake me up in hours at night, honey, when me feel get me little rest, you can get up strong in the morning and do some work so you can get money to spend on it.
So what happened? So what? You want me look like I say me a bad woman? You want me to look like I say me a bad mother?
Me just tell you what the truth, honey. You fi help me out, man.
So if me then they help you out, me when they cook and clean and wash your dirty clothes and me have picnic. Me not bad burp him then. Because you a ball and girl like I say me a wicked woman. You make sure you pick the burp in. Man, you put on the picnic and make him burp and give me my picnic. Suppose you make him be a bit burp in his sleep and in John.
Sure.
Eh? Suppose you make him picnic John in his sleep. When he puke up. If you didn't know, say you're not ready for this yet, you shouldn't bother breathe me, you know.
Honey, me ready for it, honey, but you not help me out, man. Me I do too much, honey.
Oh, I
do
mean,
too
say
much,
I
man.
do too much.
If I be off, me now have no problem if you get up and help you and then something. But you know me have to get your staff bus, honey. And you make it difficult every single night God send. And the same problem. You itch up in a bed and wake me up.
Then what me fi do if you sleep dead? What me fi do if you sleep dead? Eh? Why you do turn your back for me? No bother with it, you know. Because you know say me will get bringly in your side, you know.
Just calm down, me just get some rest. Please, honey. Let me just get some rest, man.
Me not like how you treat
Just
me and the
stress me out,
picnic.
man.
Oh, you mean say me dey stress you out? Why you treat me and the poor picnic stuff? The picnic so innocent.
All tonight, me even feel like you just stay up on my mind.
Stay up on which mama? When you have responsibility, you can't sleep anyway. You got to sleep where your responsibility is at. So me don't know where you get that from. Oh, you. Me sorry, me
Honey,
strong.
I'm going on a coach.
Alright, nobody go, baby. Nobody go. Alright, you know, I feel like a long story, you know.
Yeah, but honey, you can't take the nice, honey.
Alright. Oh, you mean say you can't take it nice and you first start the argument. Me uncle simple say if you get up and feed the picnic. I know you cuss me off in hours and night.
Alright, honey, get back some rest. Just get back some rest, please. Get back some rest. Me could go back out of bed, man. Sure.
Yeah, always gonna like I say, me are the worst woman ever. Because when me chat, you go like say me no good somebody. You see how make me bump up my head? You try to pick me and go up on your mother if you know so you can't wake up at night time and feed him. And that's all me have to tell you. I'm don't talk. Oh. Oh. What is doing down in here? I was looking for it to clean my glasses, you know. I didn't know I put it here at all. I wonder if Jeremiah finished his breakfast already. Thank you, Lord, for this a new day. I'm so grateful. I wonder who could be calling me so early in the morning. Lord of mercy is Errol. What Errol want now? I can't take the botheration so early, you know. Hello? Morning. How you doing, son? Errol, why you call me so early in the morning? I tell you not telling you so when it comes down to morning, I am very busy, you know. I don't want any provocation so early in the morning, you know, Errol. What you want to talk about so early, Errol? Lord have mercy, Errol. You and your woman again? What is wrong with you and Petra? So she waking you up hours a night? So she don't know say you go to work early in the morning? Errol, to be honest with you, you know, I don't want to get involved with no story, you know. You see two head where they go on pillar? I want to take myself out of that. I don't want to have any comment there. But if you say she waking you up at late night to take care of baby, she wrong. Because remember that you are the breadwinner. What you said? She say you must bring the baby if you come sleep with me and your father. She lose a screw. She mad. So what you want to do? You cannot carry the baby up. No, son. Son, I understand, but calm down. Calm yourself down. Listen, both of you have to just sit down and work it out, you know. I don't want to put myself in lover's affair. I am a cockroach and I'm afraid of getting eaten by you guys after I no agree back. Well, I will talk to your father about it, but with the sleeping part, it not gonna work. I think that is off key. And why would she say that? She don't have any respect for us? Son, I'll talk to you later. If you come from work or something, early, maybe you could come up here and talk to us. Lord of mercy, I can't take the botheration. Listen to me, you no need for in no argument with her. It's so woman tan, woman love for cuss, especially ghetto people. They don't know what name peace. Son, I didn't grow you up like that, you know. I said when she's arguing, don't say a word. Keep your mouth shut. I just don't want to get involved. I don't care what you want to say about her because I wasn't there, and moreover, I wasn't there when you were looking the people and pick this. So now she breed the both of you just have to sort out one problem. I don't want to get involved because I don't want to be the one to be ashamed later. I'm going to talk to your father about it. All right? All right, I'll see you if anything. Later. Bye-bye. Lord have mercy, these young people live like puss and dog. I know him want me to get involved in them story. Get me out of it. Oh. Let me go tell my husband what's happening here. Jeremiah? Jeremiah?
Yes, my wife.
I'm coming to you right now. There is big problem. Jeremiah? Lord have mercy. I don't know what is wrong with your son and your daughter-in-law, you know.
What now, my wife?
You know that Errol just called me and telling me how him and him woman in a problem late last night again with baby. She telling him that he must wake up. He have to be the one to feed the baby, you know.
Again, man, that's why my son pulled down side, you know. What wrong with that girl? What really wrong with her?
I don't know. She lose a screw.
Sure.
Where you ever hear that woman forcing man to go give baby feeding? And she not working?
No, but it's not even that. She know that the man getting up early in the morning. She know just angry little thing for him.
I don't know what is wrong with Petra, and I don't want to get involved there, you know, honey. I don't want to get involved there, you know. Because I don't want to go between two people. You know how we go because we will go between them, and by later on you see the two of them together again.
They crucify us too.
Yes, they are going to do it. So we have to be careful in people relationship now, you know, honey.
That's very
You understand
true,
what
my
I'm
wife.
saying?
But Petra getting out of hand.
She's getting out of hand. What do you think we could do about it with her condition? She can't do that.
Well, we need to sit down with her and talk to her because if you see we boyfriend later, we all enjoy them and go down in a hole like he's sick.
My God.
So you must know, say, every night she do that, you know.
She's too distressful. She's too ungrateful as well. You know, so she ungrateful? Because if you have somebody going to work and come back to feed you and take care of you, and you see how time hard, the young man can't lose him work now, you know. And she go and force him to feed baby at night and what she's doing in the night. She wrong.
from day one of him go put himself there. So me not even feel sorry for him. All me appetite cut.
Listen, honey, everybody choose who they want to be with.
That's truth.
Right? So you cannot say that. And I don't think
Yes,
that
but-
young lady was like that before.
Yes, but he knows that she go yagan. He must expect say that I go reach him, honey. He
Honey.
know where I go before he put him head there.
Yes,
So
honey, but...
he's supposed
Oh,
to bear the
God.
consequences then if I saw it come down.
Yes, but sweetheart, you cannot say that either because boogie yaga people want somebody fit there with twin and sometimes you can boogie yaga and you take up somebody that change the boogie yaga out of you, you know.
Well, me not see no changes in her, honey. Me not see no changes in
Sweetie,
her.
it sounds like you don't love her and I disagree with that because when our son wasn't working, she was with him as well. She never run away, leave him. So why now that he's working? It's just that she have that fault, honey. I don't think you're talking fear at all.
Well, you need to talk to her then because I don't want to talk to her and lose my temper on her. So it's best if you talk to her, you know.
Honey, you just have to get a grip on yourself.
Because, honey, to be honest with you right now, me not gonna take up a responsibility if he mind back a grand pick me again, you know.
Well,
Me raise with son, he stand up as a man, and me not gonna take up that part of my head.
well, you don't want to hear what she said because if you're behaving like that already, you don't want to hear what she said. She tell our son that our son should bring the picnic up.
Stop
back
right there. Bring Britney come here. Stop right there.
to sleep with us up here in the night.
But you rank.
Oh, Lord.
Honey, I better you not bring them thing there to me
I
this
didn't
morning,
bring-
you know. Come upset me in the early morning, you know. They ain't even light out good. Yeah, come sleep with you. We have space for one picnic.
We don't have any
Yeah.
space, but she said it to him because he said that she says that if him can't feed the picnic at night, all him do because the both of them want to sleep, carry the picnic come up at the grandparents them. When him tell me that me nearly collapse in the
So
sleep
what
because I
about
couldn't
fear,
sleep.
mother?
And
Why
that
should I
me
take
want
him
to
come
know.
dug up the fear, mother?
And that
We
me
done
want-
race picnic long time ago. 20 odd years ago we done race picnic and me now go back go raise the next one. Right? So if you
Oh,
want to pick
Lord.
up that baggage,
Me?
you had him sleeping in the guest room.
Honey, why you saying these things? I didn't tell Errol to bring the picnic
Yes,
come
but
up
the
here.
way you are talk, you are that baby go sleep in the guest room because me no want no more balling in my ears.
Honey, I didn't say I was going to keep the picnic.
So why you never stop Errol in the truck when he suggest that?
Did you ask me what I said when he said
I
it?
know you.
Lord have
I
mercy.
know you.
Jeremiah, we start out good and every time we start out good, you say some to make me and you hot it. Huh? Did you hear what I said to I tell him not in our cabinet. I tell him that she rode. So how you said that the way how me talking is as if I want to keep the child? You need to get a hold of yourself, you know. I tired of telling that me and you can hold a steady conversation without anybody getting
Well, this is
wounded.
not a steady conversation. This is a very heated one.
Well, listen,
Because me not going to mind no more pick me again.
I did not
Them
tell you
days
to
they
mind it.
finish. Right? It finish.
I didn't tell you to mind any grand picnic, man. So why you losing it every time we talking? You lose a screw. Stop behaving like that now, honey. You're getting older every day. You know, I'm tired of tell you. Stop blowing like that, man. Don't let other people
honey,
matter.
What you want me to do then? What you want
What
me to do?
I want us
Yes.
to do, I don't know. I think we should talk to that young girl because I think that she don't get proper parenting come up, so she chat nonsense. And we don't say anything to her, so I think it's full time for us to say. But I think that you's the best one to say because
Why
I
me?
don't want to. I
I
don't
don't
want
want to lose my temper on her, you know.
honey, talk to her the way you would want somebody to talk to you. As simple as that. Okay? And I know you know. I know you
So
know.
what you want me to do?
I
Call
want
Errol?
to do- Why you going to call Errol? He's on his way to work. He don't need you to call him. You want to call him?
So how me I go get in contact with her?
Why you not go look for the young girl and talk to her? Go down there because today I don't think you're going to be so busy, whether you're busy or not, because she's getting out of hand. And go find out what is wrong with her and put some sense in her head. Because she cannot live like that. She can't say any and anything out of her mouth and expect that people must sup it. She must be respectful.
And respectful to us too.
Of course.
Gosh, that should never slip out her mouth. If I slip,
I
it slip.
don't think that slip, I don't think so, because to me, she look very feisty. Honey, like how you nobody want your breakfast. I think you should go down there go look for that little girl. Go down there and deal with her case, but please be respectful. Alright, honey?
I will try, but I'm not promising you that.
Lord have mercy. May God help you this morning.
The error take me for 1 year. Now can't talk about one wake up at night time and help me with the bikini. Me want to know if my help me at daytime I do all of them a sin thing. We amount of clothes me have to wash. And plus wash picnic clothes. Me should have tap from work and wash out some of my picnic clothes too. Oh. I want to know why it take me 5 and take me for idiot. You can't talk about him enough to wake him up in tired. If he's tired, what that have to do with me? So me not tired too. Me not tired too. He must have think him and go test me out and kill me before time. You don't know who me, Oh, so making things say me a idiot. You don't want to do nothing for you pick me, but in the country me for wait till the hour. I wonder why.
Petra? Petra?
She can't
Petra?
Yes!
You don't hear me? I call you, man. Come and open the gate.
Me mind not there, The gate already one push here and come. I wonder what this man here come down here for like this morning. No one about a reaction, Oh. Yeah, tell me.
You didn't hear I'm calling you.
You didn't hear me the answer.
No, I didn't hear you answering. What you cannot do, so you 2 little piece of clothes you hang up and you can't answer me?
What you mean by 2 little piece of clothes me there wash and if me can answer? You know, hear me answer you, man. Why you really come down here so early?
My wife get a call early this morning, say you distress my son. In the night you have my son up a feed baby. You Petra? You
Why
think that is fair?
What you mean by your wife get called early this morning? So that means that me not no privacy down here?
But
So your son really pick up his phone and call him mother and tell him say,
But Petra, me see my son yeah, you go down in a hole just because every night you have pressure him to get up. And me no say he can't help out to the baby, Petra. But you can't distress my son, so man.
what you mean by me
You're
they
a young
distress
girl,
him?
man.
Oh, so me if he walk all day a picnic, right? And then when night time come, well tell you what, him depend the night work with the picnic. You want me say? Him a fit on with the picnic when night come, cause in a day me one a fit
Petra, I have a solution for your problem, This is my place on there now, And me go tell my son say it's best if you go back home to your mother and come visit, because me now go come here so and take no bullshit from you in my own place, You think you go turn your argue with me?
Mas Jeremiah,
It's best you go home to your mother.
what you mean by me if you go home to me, ma?
It's best.
You know say me know say you wicked, so sir. Imagine your son pregnant me.
You can talk to me without pointing your finger.
But your son pregnant me, sir. And now you want to talk about me if you go home to me, ma. Well, me have one next news for you. Me they breed again. So it's another grandpa. Lord God have mercy. Master Jeremiah. Oh God. I want you get up, sir.
What you said to me a while ago, Petra? You're pregnant?
Yes. Me have one next pregnancy in my belly. So what make you drop, sir?
So, my son to make this happen, Petra?
Oh, you mean say because your son love me, so him breed me again. He's up. All right. You know say it's a stunt you they try pull for me do. Just because me say me pregnant, you want pretend like say you they faint. No bother with it.
Petra,
No bother with
why
it.
you never use protection?
Use if it was that me don't like he itch me. So he better me pregnant female all the time. Me not understand every minute you no come down here and come down here bother me, you know.
Petra.
You no can't chat to no one son of me, you no hard for.
I don't feel good, Petra.
What you mean by you no feel good, sir? What you mean? What happened to you? Eh?
What you mean if you tell me? Petra, you sure it's not a stunt you're pulling off? So you're pregnant again,
me
Petra?
not pulling off any stunt.
So that,
Me is pregnant for your son again.
so that means that you finish me one boy.
Me not finish your son, sir. What me trying to say to you, say, you no just have to accept me and done. I mean, I see nothing wrong with
If
that.
I want
Me,
pick him up already, you finish him. So imagine when this one you come, you not kill him, Petra.
I no kill me plan for kill him, me plan for marry him. So, you know about stress out on yourself over that. You know, she said it why we they live loving and happy. Eh? Oh God, me follow you go back out of the gate. Put your hand around me neck. And next time no come down, you come bother me so early. Unless you come for picnic, you carry him up. Yeah?
Petra,
All right.
I can't believe what you said to me.
Hush, don't worry yourself. You will get over it.
I can't believe it.
All right. Nobody kill yourself over that. You know it's sweet me say me they breed again for your son. That we all know. If you only give your son this a little place here, the big old house one who living out there that me they work for. I'm glad say him breed me again. So too bad for you know if you know never want to accept me. Oh, me have everything locking on my head. Cause you always think say me chopping in. Oh, and then me could see say your son have all of them. You seen thing you left him. I go and breed out me soul case. Watch and see. Oh.
Ethic alongside sister Petra. Up and Christ who them losing faith. Me stand firm and just a closing straight. When the trumpet sound me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over.
See the grave I just run through your bone. Me I praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me not give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now. Clear the path and the way for me Lord right now.